Welcome. Is your mobile's camera quality too bad? Or would you like to take a more stylish picture at your mobile photos? Are you looking for a perfect lens for your mobile? Today I'm going to show you 5 best mobile lenses for your mobile phone. Using the lenses you can take photos of different styles from your mobile. The price is low, and the goods are very good at low prices.
In this video today I will going to show you some best mobile lens whose price under in $10.
So watch the video at the end, and stay with us. Let's go. Number 1.
Populer 12x Zoom Mobile Phone Lens Telescope Camera Lens Clip-on for iPhone 7 6s Plus for Samsung S7 for HTC Edge smartphones.
Number 2.
Smart 8x Zoom Telescope Telephoto Camera Lens for iPhone 5 5s 6s Plus Samsung S6s 5s for Galaxy Note 4 Xiaomi HTC mobile phone.
Number 3.
60x to 100x Zoom LED Microscope Magnifier Micro Mobile Phone Lens Camera with Universal Clip for iPhone Samsung HTC Huami.
Number 4.
Mobile Phone Telephoto Lens 8x Zoom Optical Telescope Camera Lenses with Mini Tripod Phone Holder for iPhone Samsung OM Clip.
Number 5.
AMAZFIT Flashlight 3-in-1 Clip Fisheye Lens Macro Wide Angle Selfie Flash Lens Mobile Phone Lens Smartphones Lens LED Lights.
So no longer late, click the link given in the description box now. Click the link here in description. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.